say I haven't watched all of them, but wasn't it? Didn't people say it was Courier or something?
It's gotta be Mather. It's Mather. Come on. Mather. Concrete.
You know
Concrete.
I think you're right that it's Mather. I think you're definitely
Exactly.
right about that. Actually.
Concrete.
From a fully neutral standpoint, I think Dave is right about this one.
So, what time did you get up this morning?
5:45 after 4 hours of sleep.
And what house is the best house?
Kirkland House, obviously.
Fuck, marry, kill the house mascots.
I'm buffering so hard.
I'll fuck the blue man.
You'll fuck the
Just
blue
cuz.
man?
Just cuz.
Wait.
Marry the fish. Go cabin. And, you know, we at the quad were only filled with love, so I wouldn't kill anyone, but I would let's banish the love bunnies. Bye.
I know that I would marry Cabot and fuck Courier. The question is then just who am I gonna kill? And
Let me kill Adams.
Adams? Okay.
How do you feel about the rain?
Honestly fine.
Fish love to swim.
I should have expected that.
Well, fuck the leopard bunny.
Yeah.
Marry,
Dad.
Dad?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. And then kill, the Lowell stag. Fuck Lowell.
Yeah.
How did you guys get up this morning?
A nice 6 a.m.
Oh my god.
I know, this is a big deal.
Yeah. Okay. And FMK house mascots. Which one?
Rory the lion is number one.
Oh, 100%.
Number two,
I don't know the other ones. I know Elliot is an elephant.
I'd say the Mather gorilla.
Ooh, okay.
And number three, Courier tree. We're living.
The best outfit you've seen today. It's always that inflatable pink rabbit costume from Lowe's. Hell yeah, what house are you in?
Who besides you have you seen in the best outfit today?
All the Everett squad, of course. Let me see. I don't know. Like, I just look at myself in the mirror and think, like, God damn. Like, that's why you woke up at like 5:45 to get this costume. Like, you know.
It was worth it. It was worth it.
Where did you just get housed?
Does more singles actually mean more sex?
Duh! Obviously, come on, it's mathematics, girl. I don't even study math, but I can do that. 1 + 1 = 2 in your bed.
What house did you just get?
Leverett!
How do you feel about it?
I'm so happy. I'm in River Middle.
Scott Dunster. Are you happy? Yeah.